What's up, everybody? So, down here in my dungeon, my work office, my lab, I guess you can say. Ooh, bad lighting. Yeah, listen. I don't have any tripods, movie magic editing stuff. I don't have it. Okay? I just don't have it. So don't look for, Steven Spielberg stuff here. But I did want to show you my rack. No, you weirdos. My server rack. Long-time Omada user. Well, let me just flip you around here. How do I flip you around? Let me flip you around here. Well, how do I, what do I do? Holy smokes. Why I suck at this? There she is, folks. My server rack. And a Christmas tree. So, what we got? Again, running Omada for the most part. There's my hardware controller. Right now, that used to be controlling everything. I have that switch, if you want to look it up. And I got this 2.5 gig switch down here, not Omada. 2.5 PoE, not Omada. I do have several TP-Link access points around the house. But I just bought this UXG Ubiquity router. It's okay. Bought the wrong thing. Of course. Why wouldn't I? So I got a hold of them and gonna return that. And I was, they got another one with a little screen on it. I don't remember, USG maybe. Unclear. But I ended up going with the UDM Pro SE. That's not here yet. But that's going to take the place of that. So, this video will cover that. We'll do some unboxing. Kind of compare the two. Because again, I'm very familiar with Omada. I'm not familiar with Unifi hardware. But yeah, we'll do it together, so stay tuned. This is the router I was running with my Omada setup. It's the ER707-M2. It ran okay. I would get some drops occasionally. It was okay. I just feel like there's some things left on the table, so that's why I upgraded, or I think I upgraded, we'll see. But of course you can see, here's my Omada ecosystem here. No internet again, because I'm running the Unifi router, but one switch, 4 APs. I have about 70 clients in the house right now. PoE cameras and access points. Actually, my access points are on a 2.5 non-Omada switch, so they're actually not on here. But yeah, this is what I'm used to. This is my Unifi. So when I get the new one, we'll continue on from there.